Hey, what's up, Stellar Holders? This is live price prediction of Stellar, and today video is gonna very important. You know why? This is a big reason. One big reason. Absolutely, today video is a very special for a holder of Stellar. So before I get start this brand video, I request you to please click the subscribe button because subscribe is very important for you. Because I notify you every good news or bad news of and every single day. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys. So let's start the Stellar price prediction. Okay, guys, so first of all, I'll show you the last one hour result. Let's check it out. The last 1 hour changes. Absolutely, the last 1 hour changes is gone good. You can see here the last 1 hour result as plus 0.44%. Absolutely gone up. So this is absolutely, you can see here in the graph result, absolutely the graph is gone up like a rocket. So this is absolutely good news for Stellar. So congratulations, Stellar holder. The Stellar has gone up like a rocket. So you can see here the change of a price. This is absolutely gone up. Plus 0.4552 US dollar is the price of one Stellar coin. Absolutely, the price is gone up. So this is absolutely good news for a Stellar holders. Okay, Stellar holders, let's check out the last one result. I hope the last 24-hour result absolutely gone good. So let's see if you can see here. This is absolutely a downing time. This is very dumping time. But this time you can see every cryptocurrency has gone down. But this is one of unique. Stellar has gone up like a rocket. This is absolutely good chat. You can see here the chat is plus 11.05% gone up. So this is absolutely good chat. You can see here in the graph result gone like a rocket. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely good. But if you can see here, the price is absolutely good. So I hope they can cross easily in a few days, just $1 US. So they can easily cross. If they can easily cross it, $1 US, then I hope at the end of month they can give you a $10 US of one coin. So this is absolutely good news for you. So if they can give you a $10 US at the end of month, so they can make you a millionaire. So this is absolutely good for you to do. Please don't sell it and hold it for the end of month. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my stick channel and also complete 1K like in this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.